Hello dear students, in today's video we will be solving questions from the lesson 12. Progression of the Empire from class 7th History and Civics textbook. So let's start. Class 7th History, Chapter 12, Progression of the Empire. 12 Progression of the Empire. Question 1. Answer in one word. Sub-question 1. She took the charge of the Indore administration. Answer. Ahilyabai Holkar. Sub-question 2. The most capable and brave man in Bhosle family of Nagpur. Answer. Raghuji Bhosle. Sub-question 3. He reinstated the emperor on the throne of Delhi. Answer. Mahadaji Shinde. Sub-question 4. He managed the politics in South. Answer. Nana Fadnvis. Question 2. Arrange chronologically. 1. The Battle of Ashti. 2. Maratha dominance over Odisha. 3. The British flew the Union Jack in Pune. Answer. 1. Maratha dominance over Odisha. 2. The British flew the Union Jack in Pune. 3. The Battle of Ashti. Question 3. Write briefly. Sub-question 1. The work done by Ahilyabai Holkar. Answer. 1. After the death of Khanderao Holkar and shortly thereafter the death of Malharao Holkar, Ahilyabai Holkar, the wife of Khanderao, assumed the reins of Indore administration. 2. She ably ruled for 28 years, brought peace and order to her kingdom, made her people happy and enhanced the prestige of the Marathas in the north. 3. She undertook many activities for the welfare of her subjects such as digging wells for farmers, encouragement to trade and industry and bringing more land under cultivation. 4. She built dharmashalas, temples, ghats, mats and made. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Provision for drinking water, the 4 quarters of India. 5. She looked into judicial matters personally and dispensed justice. 6. She was a generous person and an excellent administrator. Sub-question 2. The valor shown by Mahadaji Shinde. Answer. 1. Mahadaji Shinde was a brave general and an astute statesman. 2. Realizing that the guerrilla tactics of warfare would not suitable for the warfare in the plans of the north, he trained his army and modernized his artillery under the guidance of de Boyne, a French military expert. 3. He subdued the Rohillas, the Jats, the Rajputs and the Bandelas. 4. He kept the British under restraint. 5. He ably managed the affairs the tottering Mughal Empire with great determination. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Six. Along with Nana Fadnavis, he set right the affairs of the state which was in disarray after the death of Peshwa Madhvarao. Sub-question 3. The Maratha rule in Gujarat. Answer. 1. The foundation of Maratha power in Gujarat was laid by Khanderao Dabhade and his son Trimbak Rao. 2. After the death of Khanderao, his wife Umabai defeated the Mughal Sardar of Ahmedabad and conquered the fort there. 3. Later, the Gaikwads made Vadodara in Gujarat a seat of their power. Question 4. Discuss the reasons behind the end of Maratha rule. Answer. 1. The Maratha power began to wane after the death of Mahadaji Shinde and Nana Fadnavis. 2. The Maratha influence further declined during the reign of Peshwa Bajirao II. 3. The internal strife between the Sardars during his reign further weakened the Maratha power. 4. The British power replaced the Marathas in the north and the south. As a result, the Maratha rule came to an end.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video, share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.